Here's a mistake that I did. Hindi sapat yung practice ko ng Consent Summit where I spoke. I was only given 15 minutes to do my talk. No more, no less. Nagawa ko yung slide to the best that I can with the help of my business partner. We made sure that every single slide is on point. It doesn't need more explanation kasi bawal mag-over-explain. 15 minutes nga lang eh. So, when the slide was done, it was sent to the organizing team para ready na siya. Hindi pa ako nag-practice agad. Nag-practice ako the week before the summit. Nung day 1, ang practice ko isang beses lang. Nung pangalawang araw, 2 beses. Nung pangatlong araw, bumalik sa isa. Nung the day before the summit, doon ako nag-practice ng parang 4 times lang. So kung susumahin mo, ang konti lang nun. Parang hindi po nga yata umabot sa 10 yung practice times ko. Na-realize ko, iba yung pag nagpa-practice ka ng tinitingnan mo lang yung slides. Iba din yung nangyayari kapag nag-practice ka na, naglalakad ka na, kunwari nasa stage ka, yung intonation, yung boses, paano lalabas yung boses mo. Kasi hindi pwedeng pantay-pantay yung boses. At saka yung isa sa mga pinaka-importante, kailan magpo-pause at kailan ka magpapatuloy. 15 minutes nga lang yung binigay sa akin. And if you're a speaker, you understand that 15 minutes is one of the toughest number of minutes na kaya mong magsalita. I've done an hour, 45, 30. So 15 minutes is the shortest time that I've done to do the talk. Is it overconfidence? Is it laziness? I'm pretty sure it's the latter. So, ang nangyari, on the day of the summit, I had to look at printed notes every now and then. Kahit na mga 15 minutes pa bago yung presentation, tingin pa rin ako ng tingin dun sa slides ko. Kasi dahil alam kong konti lang yung practice time ko, natatakot ako na baka meron akong ma-miss na words that would make me have a mental block in front of so many people. Good thing hindi naman siya nangyari. But it's a lesson. Kung gaano ka-ikli yung talk, dapat mas maraming time to prepare on how to present it. That's a mistake that I had to learn, and I hope you learn from it too.